Relating integer subtraction to addition. I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will see how to subtract integers. Well, it is easier to subtract integers if we write the statement as an addition statement, and that is what we are going to explore in this video. And we'll learn two other techniques, that is to add the integers with counters and on a number line. Let's go through the question. Write an equivalent addition statement for each difference, then add integers. Well, normally this is what you should do. So whenever you have to subtract integers, write the statement as an addition statement for the integers and then add. So the first one is plus 3 minus plus 7. To write it as addition, addition is reverse of subtraction. Therefore, we'll just flip the signs. So we can write this as plus 3. Instead of subtraction, we'll use positive. And whenever we do that, we will change the sign. So plus becomes negative. So it becomes negative 7. So in the first step, I'll write addition statement for all. You can pause the video, copy this question, and then check your answer. That's an alternate way of learning. Part B is plus 2 minus plus 6. If nothing is written, that means the sign is positive. Now, to write it as addition, we'll write plus 2, change minus 2 plus, and change this sign also. So plus becomes negative. So plus 6 becomes negative 6. C is minus 3 minus plus 5. So that will result into minus 3 plus minus 5. And the last one is minus 12 minus minus 4. So we have minus 12. Now if I change minus to plus, I need to change the sign for minus 4 also. It should also become plus 4. So these are typical examples. We have plus 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 with negative sign, and then we have negative, positive, negative, negative, right? So with the sign in between, so these cover all the options, right? Now we have written, as you can see, we have written all these takeaway statements or the subtraction statements as addition statements. Now let us add them. We can add with the help of a number line, or we can also add with the help of counters. So let's first add on a number line. So here's a number line. Let's say this is 0, and our divisions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 on the positive side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 5. So every number on the left is negative, right? So let's start with the addition, which is we are doing plus 3 plus minus 7. So plus 3 is on the right side, so of 0, 1, 2, 3, so that is plus 3. So we'll start from plus 3, and then we have to move 7 units. Minus 7 means left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. So you land up at minus 4, and therefore the answer should be equal to minus 4. So that is the result of this addition. Let's do the next one with the help of counters. So we have plus 2 plus minus 6. Plus 2 means two positive counters. Let's say this is 1 and this is another 1. Now we have to add negative 6. Negative 6 means 6 negative counters. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we can combine these counters. Plus and minus becomes 0, right? Plus and minus becomes 0. So what are you left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, negative. So in this case also we get negative 4 as our answer, right? You can follow one of these methods and then add the following two integers. Part C and D is for you to practice. Thank you and all the best.